Today we are here at Homecrete Homes, a full custom builder that services St. Lucie, Martin, and the southern portion of Indian River County. As of now, the building process with Homecrete will take about 14 months. Prices in Port St. Lucie begin at $253,000 and go up to $490,000. These prices do not include the land or land preparation.
Homecrete Homes is known for their high-quality construction and energy efficiency. Homecrete has incredible options to improve your health and increase your home's energy efficiency through their eco-friendly building materials. This builder also takes pride in giving back to first responders, military, teachers, and medical professionals through the Homes for Heroes program. Now, let's take a tour of the home.
Homecrete's premier collection features R38 blown ceiling insulation and 1-inch rigid foam thermal barrier wall insulation. Impact windows are standard in this collection. In the kitchen, you will love the 42-inch cabinets, granite countertops, and undermount sink. More standard features include low VOC paint, 18 by 18 ceramic tile, and tray ceilings according to floor plans. In the bathrooms, you will enjoy wood vanity cabinets with soft close drawers and granite countertops. Homecrete Homes offers solar packages, Energy Star Performance packages, water filtration packages, and more. To learn more about Homecrete Homes, contact us.